Hello and welcome. You want to learn how to create an Ubuntu guest in VirtualBox? Well, that is easy by downloading Ubuntu 9.04 and created a new virtual machine inside VirtualBox. So here is the step-by-step to set up your own Ubuntu virtual machine. First, start up your VirtualBox and then click the new button. Now, the wizard will show up, so click next to continue. Give your virtual machine a name. For example, Ramos and Leo. The operating system, just set Microsoft Windows and the version will be Windows XP. Then click Next. Now, choose the amount of RAM you want to allocate to the virtual machine. The default is 192, which is pretty good. But if you have a lot of free RAM, it might be better to choose something higher like 512 or 784. But we choose 256. Then click Next. Now, you can choose to either create a new virtual hard disk or use an existing one. But it is recommended to create a new hard disk. So click Next. And then, for hard disk storage type, choose dynamically expanding storage. And click Next. Click Next. Then click Finish. Finish. Now, as you can see, this is the new profile of the Oracle VirtualBox. Now, we need to mount the Ubuntu operating system to your computer. We need to go first to my computer, then go to the location of the Ubuntu. Just right click the Ubuntu, then go to the Power ISO, then mount to drive F. Okay, back to my computer. Now, you can notice that the CD drive is named by Ubuntu 9.0. It means that is ready for the installation. Then we go back to the VirtualBox, then go to the storage. Now go to the empty, then set the CD and DVD device to host drive F. And click OK. And that's it. The new OS will show up as powered up. You can start using Ubuntu by selecting it or choosing Start.
Now, click on Start icon in the upper left corner to start installation. Select your language when asked. Then, I pick English for us to understand the installation. Select the second option, Install Ubuntu, and hit the Enter key. Wait for loading into RAM. You will see the wallpaper for a few seconds. When the installer appears, you will be able to select your native language for the installation process. Click the forward button to continue. The second screen will feature a map of the Earth. Upon the selection of your current location, the time for the final system will adjust accordingly. You can also select your current location from the drop-down list situated at the bottom of the window. Click the forward button after you have selected your desired location. On the third screen, you will be able to choose a desired keyboard layout, but the default automatic selection should be work for most of you. Then click the forward. If you have another operating system and you want a dual boot system, select the first option. Install them side by side, choosing between them in each star app. On this screen, you must do exactly what the title says. Fill in the fields with your real name, the name you want to use to log in your Ubuntu OS, also known as the username, which will be required to log in the system. The password and the name of the computer automatically generated but can be overwritten. This is the final step of the installation. Click the install button to start the installation process. And now, the Ubuntu 9.04 operating system will be installed. You will see the Ubuntu login screen. Input your username and password. Have fun using 9.04.